Okay, Jump School 101. Okay, here we go. Woo! Woo! You! Oh, that feels fantastic. That feels so good. I've been terrified of those 3 triple jumps, and I've always basically rolled about halfway down the ramp and then let go of the brakes and done this timid little pop, and I've now ridden down that twice at full tilt, so no brakes from the top, and geez, it feels like you're going fast, but it's just fantastic. It is so much fun. Alright, I am doing that again, but not so many times that I crash. Okay, here we go. That's when you stop learning and you start hurting. Alright, one more go. Okay, a quick glance tells me I'm doing about 40 kilometers an hour on the first jump. Woo! That's about enough before I die.